actually am feeling my basic Christmas tree. Are you like me? Do you light your Christmas tree in the morning and like leave it on until like midnight or whatever? I do. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do. I'm up early watering my plants and doing homemaker duties. I just got done washing my dish mats, my dishcloths, and watering my plants, and also organizing some things from my office and meditation room. But yeah, I love, 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 love to get up in the morning and do my thing when Rizzy's sleeping. Today we're going to be braiding her hair. So I told her she don't have to get up until like 11 because she's going to be going over a friend's house this weekend. So it's going to be mommy time. And I'm so excited because I went to Aldi and they do not usually have, hold on, they only have these during the summer, like the warmer months. And the lady said that I happened to go there to get whipped cream for my eggnog pie that I made. And you know, I grabbed 2 bags. I got one there and one somewhere else in here. But it is a seafood boil with raw shrimp, corn, mussels, red skin potatoes, andouille sausage. And yeah, it's like a Cajun style packet in there. So since I don't have to cook and she can't do seafood, that'll be mommy's dinner. So guys, I made a eggnog pie and it is so delicious. I'm actually making another because I still have some eggnog from Aldi. So it's time to, I want to make, it's a thicker version of it and I like it, but I actually made us some eggnog milkshakes and they were amazing. And so yeah, it takes about 1.5 cups, 2 cups. So I'm going to use the rest of this to make another pie. This is the pie. If you're interested in me, I'll probably do a video when I make it this time. This is the eggnog pie. When I tell you, if you like buttermilk pie and you love eggnog, you're going to love it. I like it with whipped cream. I like it with whipped cream. So yeah, that's going to be the last piece. I am going to be using Aldi's crust. It was in the freezer, so I took that out for later. But this one is waiting to be bottom fed. These 3 are being bottom fed. And then after they're done, they'll be put back with their sisters and brothers. This one I can tell is ready because it droops a little bit more than like over here. The littler leaves droop more when it's ready to be fed. This one I can tell because they start to curl in a lot when it's hungry. And this one, I just can tell when it's really late. This is a smaller version of this one. So yeah, this is how my morning's going. And let's see. Hey, y'all, hey. So I did do some more decluttering. I ended up putting the big shop back over there. I put here my special dishes and stuff in a box. So that's under there now to make space. This bad boy, it's finicky and spoiled, so it needs to sit by itself, and it kind of sits here out the way with his big brothers and sisters. So these are my big boys, my big pothos, and then I have the baby pothos there, and they're not in the way, so I left them there. I'm gonna show you where my other ones are. So yeah, I open this every morning. So now I was able to put stuff over there. I removed the boxes that were there. That's the chandelier from my house in New York, that silver one. I think I'm gonna refurbish it. I'm definitely gonna use it in this house, but I think I'm gonna change the color of it. We'll see in the future. So now here I have a mixture of decor projects I'm working on and things I'm gonna be selling on Facebook Marketplace. Not my wok. This wok, I don't know, it oxidized through storage, so I really got to do a really good cleaning. That is a cast iron wok, so I got to re-season that bad boy. And I'm just sharing this with you because this is how my mornings go, and I like to get up early in the morning, so I end my day earlier than most people because I've been up since like 5 something doing things. So I did declutter. If you may see the video before this, it used to be a desk, and I shared that with you guys. I did a cleanup on it before because I used to sit here against this wall with that picture right there behind me, and it was like a makeshift piece of counter and some drawers that I sat at with a stool because we wanted to leave this empty for them to work in the kitchen. So I moved that out of here. So now the table is here. Remember I told you this is a 58-inch table. This dining room is pretty big, so I'm very leery about if I want to use this. I do want it to be spacious, but I'm very leery because I still have so much more space. I don't know if I want a bigger table, if I want to go with a different size, or if I want to make a custom table like I did the custom built 90-inch table that I cut and, you know, made myself in my last home. I'm not sure, so I'm still debating. Now, I did find this in my garage. I cannot find the baggie that holds all the clips because my goal is to, this is some stuff that I will be posting. It's a chair that hangs from the ceiling. I actually have the frame, actually, or you can hang it from the ceiling. Laundry basket and some curtains and stuff. I posted the curtains, and the other white curtains I will be using here when I change that out later in the future. But that shelf I got because I want to take everything out of this, get this empty, get this out of the kitchen, and let me see. Oh, y'all can't even see. Let me go closer. Get this out of the kitchen and at least have a little rack temporarily to put my this thingy, which will end up going probably over there in the future in the corner. Oh yeah, I need to get everything off of this. This is, even though it's space to get in and out, I got it leaned up because it will be blocking the vent and we need the heat to come in. So I definitely want to get this out of here soon, hopefully within the next week or so. I have been getting inquiries on it on Facebook, so we shall see how that goes. Fingers crossed, pray that it's out of here. So basically rearranged the decor because there was a lot of stuff sitting here. It was stuff sitting there, so I took it and I put it over in this corner here. So now it's more space over here. So see, it is a lot of space in this dining room. So look at that. This table is like, it's a nice size table. I may consider still keeping it. I don't know. I think I will because it is solid wood. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. So then I went in. I put stuff in here. This is going to be the meditation room where most of my plants are, and office as well. So I am starting a summer tote. These are my hats, jewelry that I need to declutter. That is a tote full of my tank tops. All of my books, I need to get them on a shelf. I think I'm going to build some floating invisible shelves to put my books on, like make a little wall. And I'm thinking that like right here will be the perfect spot out the way to put all my books and stuff on. And then I can just use this for all of my cards, my Santos, and all the things that I sell for meditation. I can kind of use this in my closet for storing those things. So yeah, this room, it's going to be later, but this is going to be my room where I read and do my bills and budgeting courses and stuff like that when I do my Zooms and do my inspirational videos back on the CPR Vibe. Especially, I found most of my sound healing bowls is 2 that I'm still looking for because it's 7. I got all 7 chakras. Then I added another, so I have an 8th bowl that mimics a bigger bowl that I can take with me when I do sound healing baths. But these are 4. I have 2 in my room, which is 1 is new and 1 is part of the 7, so that's 5, and so it's 2 more. I know it's a huge, my big one is missing, and I can't think of the other one. I have to look and see what's in here, but I got a feeling they're between a lot of stuff. So here is just like my screen, my other screen for my computer. On the side of that is just like my desk stuff, my little desk organizer and stuff. That box doesn't belong in here. That's a box with nail stuff, like when I do my own nails. So that's what that is. I can't remember what's in this box, but we know for sure that these totes, this tote here is going to be gone, and all of these will be gone. These will be in my closet on that top shelf. So this is just the room that I'm doing little mini projects of decluttering and organizing. I'm definitely going to keep these bins. I love them because they're open and I can just pull them out the closet. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. A lot of reorganizing, decluttering, and trying to figure it out. See, those are the 2 sound healing bowls that I have. The top one is new. The bottom one is an older one that goes with this set. And so total, I have 8 huge crystal bowls. But I need to find the two, and I just feel like they're in the middle of all that mess in the garage. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. So I come in here every morning, look at the plants, spray them, clip them, twist, you know, do whatever I need to, talk to them, all that good stuff, to keep them thriving. And they are all thriving, doing really good. This little ZZ is really thriving. I thought I was going to lose this a while back, but it's really thriving. And I go and pluck out anything that doesn't look right and doesn't look like it's living or whatever. And so yeah, that's what I was doing today. These bad boys just got a good trim. These been acting up, but they still surviving. They just, it seemed like I've been trimming them often. So yeah. So that's my morning. That's what's been going on. And look, I found my babies. Look at them. Tell me these are not the freaking cutest. If you know, you know. I love monkeys. I love monkeys. I love monkeys. And yeah, hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. Tell me those are not cute. Tell me those are not cute. Yes, so yeah, so that's what my morning's looking like. Let me get back in my room. As I wait for them, I'm watching something on the, I keep saying TV, but I have a projection. I'm watching something on there, and people decorating for Christmas. I love seeing it because I can't find my decorations. And yeah, I'm watching, let's see. Oh, it went away. It went away, but anywho, let me go back to it. Yeah, I was watching people. I love seeing people decorate their homes for Christmas. So yeah, no commercial. Well, all right, this is just the chit chat, my morning chit chat. Just a morning with me, seeing how I get up and do things in the morning and kind of relax and get myself together. I'm getting ready to, after I watch these, do some journaling. I keep those right here in my nightstand. I have a little I used to keep them on my bed, but I just have a little basket so that way I don't have to just gather everything all the time. And I just grabbed the little basket, and it has my journal and the current books I'm reading, my little reader glasses, and my little light or whatever if I need that. So yeah, I will be grabbing that shortly out of my nightstand. And yeah, so that's what my morning's looking like until it's time to braid her hair. That's gonna take me at least about 4 hours. She want real long goddess braids with the human hair. I'm doing mines with the human hair. I can't stand when people do it with the synthetic and it gets all tangly and caught up and not good. Doesn't look good at all. So yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Later, gators. If you're new, I am the single mom versus the fixer-upper. I purchased a home in a state, in a city where I did not move because I knew anyone, no friends or family. And I am making this fixer-upper like one of the most beautiful things for me and my family. I'm in love with it. I'm in love with the transformation. I'm in love with how it makes me feel. I am grateful and I am thankful for it. And if you want to join me on that journey of seeing all the transformations in every room, continue watching. Not only that, but I share a lot of how-tos, how to save you money, time, energy, and worry. Your girl does that. So if that's something interesting to you, join the family by hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. The main videos are going to be Wednesday and Sunday at 5 p.m. But all through December, I'm loading a video every day. Not like Vlogmas, but I'm loading a video every day. So with that being said, join the family, and I will see you guys later, gators.